And what is the closest competition? No, just asking.
No, it's not. There is no competition.
No, not competition, but in terms of just
volume.
Yeah.
Volume. There is no. Because Shripad Desai had 4 volumes, so small, and it was not Ashtangi as such. Means Samanya Roopa was not given. Samanya Roopa is very important. If you want to change a word, meza, that is very important. You don't say mezak, mezak, mezachin. So oblique form in Konkani is very important.
Interesting model of marketing. So it's 3-5 for institutions, 1-2 for individuals.
Yeah. No, now it is 3-7 I think.
3-7. But still
This is 2011.
Yeah. It changes on a year-to-year basis.
Yeah,
so there is
that
inflation.
Is the end.
There is inflation taken into account.
3,700.
Because you know what, when you publish a book, it is initially quite costly, but 3 years down the line, because of 8% inflation every year, it gets devalued. So they have inflation taken into account.
And it's Konkani to Konkani.
Yeah.
Konkani to Konkani. It is Konkani to Konkani.
It's in script, eh? Devanagari?
Devanagari, yes.
No English in it, no Roman
No, there
alphabet.
is. There are
Roman
not
alphabet?
every word, but only where relevant.
Yeah.
Where relevant, yeah, okay.
Like Portuguese words, for example.
Portuguese words.
English
words are there.
Now you said there are 50,000 words, and how many are the most frequently used words that generally people use?
Would you say 50,000 words are the most frequently used words?
Like,
I don't know.
how you can say such thing? If
No,
you have
no,
300, 400, 1,000 words, you can speak a language. No, that's what they say. No? Not 50. You don't need those many.
And this is only sitting in the office. If we had toured Sattari and Kankan, we would have got 4 more volumes of this.
Actual usage, on people
Actually,
there.
yeah.
But did you refer books where you were coined with the requirement of the
No.
Not possible.
So
Unfinishing task. That would be an
yeah.
unfinishing task.
because they are new, no?
And they are going on. It's an ongoing process.
It's an ongoing process.
And today you need more words than ever before because technology is changing, politics is changing, concepts like that.
We have given such illustrations of things which are not available today. Like, for example, Adoi. Adoi is not much used today. It is either for fish or for coconut or slicing something. Now you use knife for something else. And tabul farai, you have seen tabul farai?
Yeah.
The game.
That was the game mostly used in Hindu houses.
Yeah.
Structure of wood, wherein there are small pieces and long sticks.
You throw
They are
them.
called tabla.
No one even knows how
They
to
are
play.
painted on one side. If they fall on that side, something. Now nobody knows the rules of the game, and that tabul farai is also not available. So we have given. Ferry boat has been illustrated. Last time when I made Konkani English dictionary, you must have seen that,
Yeah.
small. Ferry boat was not properly illustrated. Being a Goan, the artist could not show the ferry boat properly. This time it is.
That's because references are not there. No, in that
No,
way.
ferry boat you can see.
Yeah, you can see, but I'm saying if you see
In a
what-
picture, no.
Correct.
In a picture, you cannot see a ferry boat.
Potash.
Asa. Potash was Yandila.
There's a
Picture
pea
there.
shooter, a local pea
Yeah, but
shooter,
if I
which is
would-
called a potash.
What is it called?
Pea shooter. You know, you shoot teflas in it, not peas.
Teflon.
Teflas are those things you use in masala. They can be very stinging. Huh? If you use it, they can
No,
be.
the peel, the dried them.
No, the raw one, the
the
green
raw,
one,
the
the
green
green
one.
one, with its
नहीं
sting.
नहीं Teflon नहीं थी.
Teflon, with the sting and with the rawness, it can be very stinging. Velocity, and you know it has a. No, you shoot it, the bamboo. The
You have
hollow
not
bamboo.
seen. You go to Diwa,
Monera.
Bonera festival you can.
It's a mock gun. It can sting.
नहीं आपण दुखता दे.
Dukta. It can really sting.
It's
Because the
got
seed-
speed.
Speed and the seed is also.
No. Spice does not. What hits you is the speed.
Potash, wonder,
ती फटास.
Professor Alfonso was speaking last time. For those who are not there on his
Italian,
book,
Italian.
Italian
I
dictionary.
put some of the illustration in color in a bunch of
In
few
color.
pages. But Potash I got even a picture of Potash.
Was this quite
You
a
get a
large
picture, yeah.
committee type project? Like a lot of different
The
people
potash-
worked on it?
How
A
many
lot of
people-
people worked
Potash
on it?
कसा आहे रे?
Did a lot
Lot
of
of-
people work on it? Or
Potash is one.
Yes, yes.
How many-
Used. It is used.
No, no. Who worked on it? How many people?
No. I
Origin.
Yeah?
alone.
What is
ती किती पी शूटर म्हणलं नी
Yeah, pea shooter. pea
पोटाश
shooter.
आहे का
Could I have
जिथे कोंकणी
Yeah,
word
please, please.
कमी करून outside.
No, pea shooter is English word, but it's not really a pea shooter. No?
P
They're
नाही
not
ती.
peas.
ते फॉल्ट आहे.
तसं म्हणणं
हां.
पोटाश जी आसा ती
हय.
ऐकत तुझी पयशी
हय.
पी शूटर म्हणजे असं ना
हय.
खूप लागीं येता
हय.
Boy, lagi येता. Lagi
म्हणजे
येता.
हांगा
It's
तें पळोवंक जाय न्ही
correct.
खंयच्यान ताका म्हणटे आयले खंयच्यान एक्झॅक्टली
हय.
हांगाच्यान तयार जाला की आनी खंयच्यान आयला
No, we are searching for equivalents, but you will not find exact one-to-one equivalents because the concepts are different.
न्ही
No?
वन टू वन केन्ना केन्ना खूप लागीं आसता
फॉट आवाज जाता म्हणून फटास
हां
Lagi असता.
हे फोटे दिसता. फोटे सगळे चित्र नाही आहे.
जे photo, photo.
फोटे.
Potash.
That's his dictionary on Konkani Italian. Photo.
This is the same concept of potash that he gave, including this piece, tefla.
Very nice. Strangely, it has not got the attention it deserves.
Yeah.
People don't appreciate. But you all should push it a bit. You all should push
People
it.
don't appreciate means people appreciate novel.
No.
Short
You have to
stories.
push it. No one will come by itself. You have to push it.
No, this is
That you can
something
now
that
Joel, go ahead, no
this
problem.
is something that you don't. I mean,
Domnul Potash, giocattolo artigianale primitivo di bambù in due parti che simula il tiro di una arma.
अशाच
Second,
म्हणजे म्हणतात तू.
bugia innocua, bugia pietosa.
हां.
ते काही नाही,
Wonder.
Italian आहे.
Wonder.
I can understand Italian.
Put.
Did you release already the dictionary or it's going to be released?
No, it is 2 years now.
Did you have a formal
Officially 2
release?
years. Yeah.
Did you have a formal release?
Yeah. Mandavi. 4th April 2009. Just exactly.
So
2
why didn't you think of 2 volumes just for
Ah.
physical management?
No, I don't know.
That's a
It will be
publisher's
difficult
problem.
publisher
But if he can do it, why
conserve
not?
also.
No?
But the binder in Pune was shocked.
I see.
He's the biggest binder in Pune,
I see.
and he said, "I have never done such a job," but he managed to do it.
5 inches.
Yes,
What was the print run? How many?
1,000.
1,000 is quite a lot for Goa standard.
Yeah.
What are they selling at? What's the retail cost?
Now 3,700 for individuals. 1,200. 1,200.
And how is it selling?
It's selling one by one.
The single runs are important.
yeah.
Even for books like this, even the single runs are
Yeah.
important. 1,200 is a very good price. It's a subsidized price because normally books are sold at about 1 rupee a page.
It is self-subsidized.
That's true for paperback. Self-subsidized meaning
Self-subsidized meaning the publisher bears the cost.
those margins are very low.
Libraries
bought
and
the
reading
cost of
rooms
this?
will need it.
Yeah.
These
Sort
two
of a
volumes.
desk.
At your
No.
This is from
Bidde,
here.
Bidde.
Bidde.
Rajhouse is a Goan publisher.
Yeah,
Yeah,
next,
yeah.
next door, next building.
They published around 1,000 titles so far. Many of them are educational books, so you won't see them.
And the
far outside
1,000th
the
is
school.
on sexology. Recently, on 10th April, it was released. Yes. It's a translation of a Marathi book.
Ramu, you should
Is it
introduce.
selling well?
Na, 10th April ला झालं ते. It must sell well.
लोक
So you were pressing me to come out with that other book of mine, no? कोंकणी गाडयांचो शब्द
हय गाळयांचो
त्रासांत पडपाक जावं
कित्याक
आगेली शिवदासा गेली एक कविता एक कवितेचे रितले the whole women force
ना.
role.
तातूंत कांयच अर्थ ना कोणें वाचूंकच ना ती कविता.
बोवाळ जाता चळले जावचे ना बोवाळ
No, you saw this whole book
Nobody
is
has
of
read
that
the
word, no?
poem.
For those who
Guardians
are
are-
lost with the discourse,
no.
What is going on here is that Professor Afonso has an idea of coming out with a
No, the book is
dictionary
completed
of
already.
Konkani bad words.
Abuse.
A dictionary of Konkani abuses, bad words. What is
Expletives.
Expletives. But he says that the work is already done because the controversy has been raked out by one poem.
No,
of,
this is incidental. I did not
He's
put
just
it back
joking,
because
he's
of
joking.
that. But then, since you were telling me last time,
No,
I
Ganesh
thought
Chokos writes-
see, it's a serious book. It's not
Yeah,
something
it's serious.
trivial. But the first part deals with certain tests, certain hypotheses concerning Konkani language. You know, looking at it from the point of view of anthropology, sociology, and so on, and testing certain hypotheses about absorption capacity of the language, for example. And it has the maximum absorption capacity is at that level of the discourse, bad words, takes everything it up, innovates. So after this theoretical part, there is a second one, which is the list of all the expletives that we have, very colorful. In pen name, for example, you can fish the put,
Ah,
fish the put,
ah,
fish the put. In a very primitive area, because I went out to do that. I did not rely on books because there are no
Boshimar.
books. So I had to
Boshimar.
collect the
Washimo,
samples.
Vaisimbora.
Washimo.
Wasimbora.
Washimar.
That is very innocuous.
Ah, ताजे पर Washmer.
Boshmer.
कळत ना कितें म्हणटा.
See, there's another
You don't know
one
the root
in
of the
You
one
don't know the route.
in one village in Penne, Merda Merd. So Merda Merdre,
Ah,
Merda Merda,
merda.
Merda Merd.
Ah.
It has become an adjective.
Ah,
ते तशी खूप उतराय ना
खूप उतरां आहे.
It's a dictionary
Tarpa-
of profanity.
तरपाशोर फॉर एक्झाम्पल तरपाशोर म्हणून
The book, Delgado's book,
Trespasser.
Portuguese Vocables in
Trespasser.
Asian Languages is still available online.
Is it?
Yeah, it's available for free, but they have, it's one of those Gutenberg projects where they have scanned the full thing.
Okay.
But because they scanned it, there are some errors, a lot of errors, so you can't read because they don't have the proper alphabets and all that for Portuguese. But Portuguese Vocables in Asian Languages, full book is online.
Ah,
And it's available also. I have one copy.
हा जो
Asian publication.
लुझियाचे कोंकणी भाषांतर खंय मेळटा I was asking, I'm sorry. English translation of Lucia.
English.
आनी केल्लें तें
कोणें?
Olivian.
ओलिवियान किंवा
Olivian.
Olivinian जाल्यार आलींच आसतलें तें.
Allingham, but sponsored by Fundação Oriente.
अशें.
English translation of Lucia.
It is in Devanagari script, but he said that they have only one copy.
No, the Konkani.
Konkani.
I said.
Yeah.
Konkani translation of
Konk-
Lucia.
Yeah.
Lucia.
कोंकणी
Konkani, right?
English. English.
English. I'm sorry. I said English. English
Yeah.
there is.
Ah,
It's
Konkani
okay.
translation.
Konkani translation. Olivian.
सगळें लुजिया देश केलां.
Oi.
For 50 rupees, I managed to buy at Broadway sale a copy of Achana Maulik. She is a ASI official. You might have heard her name, Achana Maulik.
Yeah.
She has written Titans of 20th of the millennium. Titans of the millennium in literature.
Okay.
So there she makes a critical analysis of Camões, and of course we people are people who have never grown up with it. But she says that he is much misunderstood. He is not celebrating Portuguese colonialism alone. He is warning the king of what is to come
Ah.
if he takes a certain route. You know that old man that is
Rastel.
painted.
The one that I am trying to focus
That
on.
is painted in the Minis Braganza. So he,
Rastel, o velho do Rastel,
Yeah.
Inês Bragança, no, from Adamastor,
okay, Adamastor.
arrival of Camões,
Okay.
meeting with Zamorin. I don't think velho do
Okay,
Rastel
okay,
is
maybe,
there.
maybe not.
Azulejo do clube
No, it's Vasco da Gama.
Vasco da Gama, encontro
E a
com os
dessa-
Zamorin.
The others are the countrymen.
Não está velho do Rastel, não está. Não está.
Probably not.
And then she talks about his stay in Goa and in Asia, and then she says that ironically when he went back to Portugal, his writings probably triggered the collapse of this great dream because by that time the Spaniards had taken over.
That's one way of looking at it. But my regret is here we take Camões and Lucius as a book of history, that he was making statements. And therefore many people resent. He has said this about us, that about us. He was not describing anything. He was fantasizing. He was imagining. Of course, at that level, an answer, a reply, an echo can be constructed. It's possible to construct an echo with equal grace if anybody has that capacity, or at least even at a primitive level,
In
one can
Portuguese
try
or
to
in Konkani?
articulate in whichever language.
You are doing it in what?
No.
Huh?
Probably I will try to feel equal to Camões
In Portuguese.
without modesty
In Portuguese.
in Portuguese. eu quero tentar a minha capacidade do indígena, do nativo, e minha língua materna é concanhê. Mas trabalhar concanhê, tenho um orgulho imenso nesse fato. Mas quero ver se, porque eu aprendi o Lusíada. I learned Lusíada with one Portuguese when I was very young, and then I had to study it in Liceu. So I have two sort of, levels of reading of Lusíada. And o velho do Restelo, the old man of Restelo, that had always bothered me. Although the Portuguese try to explain it by saying it's a vein of pessimism and this and that and that. I don't think it's pessimism. There's much more to it. At least one can imagine there much more than what the man said and what the king did not hear, but from the ships the people, some of them heard. But Camões should not be seen as a historian, and nobody should have grudge about what he says because he was not doing history. It's a brilliant work to be done, and the genius of that man alone could perhaps do that, because he also did one more thing there. He sort of, under the shadow of the cross, monotheistic religious discipline, he brought in the entire Greek pantheon. Of course, poor Camões did not know that there were many such pantheons on this side of the, there was no Suez at that time, but on this side of the world.
When you're finished that book, we might send it down to this end and we'll take a look.
Carrying it itself is a good exercise.
What do
for
you
the
do
master.
besides this? What other work do you do? Do you have any
This is-
time for anything else?
This is all his work. He does many of these things. This is not the only work he does.
Oh,
He's
is that-
involved in many other projects.
Oh, it's this kind of thing.
And he's basically a freelance researcher who's involved, very active in a whole lot of projects with Goa University, outside, independently, translations.
Amazing piece of work. Wow.
I gave him a copy of my book about the mad guy who wrote the dictionaries in Britain. With due apologies. You have to be mad to take on a work like this.
Yeah.
Oxford, yeah.
Yeah. What's the name of that book?
Yeah.
It's a good book. It's told
know,
so
I
well.
know.
Now this guy,
Yeah, it's
Well,
I forget what the title is. The guy who was contributing the most number of words to Oxford Encyclopedia or whatever, turned out to be a guy living in an asylum. And then the British, like only the Brits can do, they track his story and they go down and find out, how, what was the thing involved, why he was thrown in a lunatic asylum, and he was giving the best kind of contributions. And they've written a full kind of, historical.
This be used a lot, I suppose, in secondary school libraries?
Yes,
Would they
yes,
buy it?
yes.
I think people have not understood what is the value of having these
Yeah.
things around as yet,
Of
So
course,
we are
it'll
not
have to
even.
be promoted, eh? I mean, it's hard to, the problem with these things is people don't get to know about them, That's the problem, and that costs an arm and a leg to advertise, eh?
Yeah, advertising is out of the point. Word of mouth is the only thing that works.
Yeah, well, that's...
Word of mouth, social media. Victor Angel Ribeiro said, please send me a copy. I said, I just have to brace myself to do it, but I'll do it eventually.
Yeah.
Because how many kilos?
3.
3 kilos.
It's another way
I'll
to
do it, I'll
get
get
somebody to donate them. Let every secondary school in Goa that, Konkani language,
Donated
Be
books have no
given
value,
one.
Ben.
Huh?
Donated books have no value.
I see.
I
mean,
would
they
say-
don't get used.
Southern
I would say build up the
Government has
interest.
not taken the-
Build up the interest. Let people feel that they need it.
Chief
in their
Minister has signed.
Yeah, I agree. There's a
Take
point
copies.
there.
It has gone down somewhere.
house. Free copies don't have
Such
better
books
than
are
the
difficult to
1200 is
sell in
nothing.
Goa.
Yeah.
And let
1200
me
is
now say
nothing.
something not to demoralize him. Because they are in
But even that
Konkani,
people
can
and
buy
in
now.
Goa you can sell
Ah,
things in
ah,
English,
ah,
in anything.
That's okay.
But कोंकणीचे पुस्तक हांगा घेवपाचें खूब कमी
हय.
आनी तातूंतले तातूंत यश बिकॉज
Market is small.
not is small.
it's not
See,
market,
it's not small. Mentality is
Mentality.
Leadership is low,
mischievous.
leadership.
Mentalidad
कोंकणी
mischievous.
मरे.
कोंकणी
Konkani
मरे.
is a
Leadership
dictionary,
is
to be read regularly.
I
Hi,
showed you the
reference.
dictionary, old, the first print of Delgado, Konkani Portuguese, Konkani Portuguese. I found it in 1964 in a bunch of heap of books thrown out by the landlady because she wanted to clear the house.
I see.
And it was around the evening time, a rainy season. So I went there and I said, Dona Amalia, Florida jata.
हाँ.
And I put my hand and found that.
हाँ.
He said, why you have to? No, cleaning. Last go. Uzakal go.
She-
Get money.
बोलो सलवार.
I asked her, can I take this? She says, if you want, take all now within half an hour.
Package deal.
And she want what else? What want? I don't know. But
Yeah.
this one book, I showed you.
At least that.
नहीं special जागा नहीं. In Santa Cruz when I
Mr.
was coming, suddenly on the way, on the road, I found a book. Yes, Lucian. Long back.
Portuguese medium पढ़ना वालों ने.
Portuguese dollar.
वालों ने.
Then what happened?
Until
Then
I
I showed this
showed
book to one of my poet here in Goa. He took the book. He never gave me the book.
I found out in a waste paper bin outside the information department. This is about 5 years back. A thin onion skin paper,
हाँ.
letter signed up behind the Nassau and all that. It is an official letter signed by someone, written to the governor or whatever. So I took it and kept it in my archives.
कितने थे?
Some official letter
Ah.
from one head of department to
I
the
see.
governor.
After Republican regime. Or,
No. Before liberation, before 61.
No, after Portuguese Republicans.
Yeah, recent.
No,
It
recent.
will not be very old.
Sadunov.
Could be a
Yeah.
letter of king to the
हाँ,
vice lord.
नस्ते हंसते ले. Band the
No.
Nassau.
Official.
I know.
Any official sign
I know.
26.
After 26.
onwards. So any official
You
sign.
got it when?
I got it about 5-6 years back. Thrown in the waste basket.
Now,
ती कोण
Yeah.
शिले तर कशें?
It must have been in the records, no official record.
which dustbin it is?
The second part of our
Spend a night.
thing is to share about books. This was
I
available
have this
in the
collection.
government printing press. It's falling apart for 5 or 10 rupees till 5 years back.
I have all three. These are 3 volumes.
3 volumes.
No?
Yeah.
I may take some of your pages because in the middle of
This
a
is
bunch of
second.
pages there are 2 holes.
Yeah.
Letters are
This is second.
this is second. But it's a good book.
हाँ.
It's a damn good book.
You should be able to read it. No, I
किधे हैं?
cannot.
किधे हैं? What is
कौन सा नो रे मका नहीं था I don't know. I'm language handicapped.
This basically when
What
I
is it?
read,
What is
What
it?
is it?
Second coming of Vashtagama to
Ah.
India with his maternal uncle, Mama.
Descobriments e conquistas.
तू पोर्तुगीज वाचता?
So
Why?
there is authentic Shakuniam.
हां वाचता सगळी कळना.
Was sort of thing that were done.
Mr. Avans, did Vasco da Gama ever come to Goa? Because somebody was saying that he never came.
Except for fishing.
Did Vasco? You just now you said something second coming.
Second coming to India.
Cochin.
Did Vasco da Gama ever come to Goa?
हाँ.
He was
Cochin
the
तो यहाँ पर
viceroy,
समझता.
but
Grave is there.
Vasco da Gama.
yeah, he was viceroy.
But did he physically come? Did he physically come?
Did he
to Goa?
land here?
Yes, yeah, I'm sure because he was viceroy.
हाँ.
He was promised and let down. He was made convict and he was fed up with it.
No, but he came.
But I read one.
He came 3 times.
Yeah,
He came
once
3 times.
as a viceroy.
Came as viceroy.
After 1510
Viceroy म्हणून गोंया आयला.
Yes.
Goan.
or before 1510?
Can't be after.
Ah,
Goan.
Must be before.
No, the first viceroy, the second governor is Albuquerque.
Cochin fatah
So
वाला.
first was
Cemetery.
Almeida. So
Almeida. First was Almeida.
So it was
second
after
was
1510.
Vasco da Gama. So it must be after 1510.
1510.
So then he must have come to Goa.
Yeah.
Third time.
No, but I read him at least I read on the reference that he had come to Anjadiva. I don't know what Goa. I mean, Anjadiva was part of Goa till some time back.
Island.
So
At that time it wasn't.
It wasn't. That was Goa was only Goa.
not Anjadiva.
Only there, not even this.
What they called Goa 1510 is the village of Ella.
Swadi.
Now old Goa.
Tiswadi, I think. Huh?
Swadi.
हाँ. एला
So
एला.
any idea when Anjadiva came to Goa?
Today is Karambuli.
Yeah.
Karambuli.
Karambuli.
No, but then any idea when Anjadiva became part of Goa?
That was much later, after maybe the British.
Raja of Saundan.
No,
Anjadiva becoming
No,
part
no,
of
Yeah.
Goa.
Fonda.
It's new conquest, no?
During the British colonial period.
Never
It's
thought
a
of
much
that.
later than Administratively.